welcome to Digital Opening. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to organize your content with the Notion app. By the end of this video, you will have a method that allows you to create more content and increase your productivity. So keep watching this video and stick to the end because there is a gift included for you. Hi, my name is Frank, and on this channel I share tips, tools, tricks on how you can generate an income online. Be sure to hit the subscribe button below and turn on the notification to not miss a thing. So let's start with the tutorial. Today we are going to talk about a content planner which will allow you to organize your content and be more focused on your goals. So what is a content planner? A content planner is a software that will help you keep track of things to do and make it more easy for achieving your goal and increase in productivity. There are numerous content planner out there, but today we are going to talk about the Notion app. So what is Notion? Notion is an all-in-one workspace where you can write, plan, collaborate, and get organized. So the Notion app will allow you to take notes and add tasks, manage projects, and much more. So there are a lot of productivity apps, but the reason I choose Notion is because of its flexibility, easy to use, and it allows many integration. You can integrate Evernote, you can integrate your Drive. Trello is the only content planner I'm using right now, and is the only one I've been using for long. So let's start. Let's see how to sign up for a Notion account. So you will just go notion.so, you enter your email address here and you click on sign up. So you will continue, just press on continue with email. They will send you an email in your email box. So you need to go there, you grab the code, paste it here and click on create new account. So let's do that. Okay, we paste the code, create new account. So now just create a new workspace for myself. Go to take me to Notion. When you are in Notion, Notion will just make you a quick work. So you just need to follow the guide, the video here, and you will learn some great thing there. So let's go to setting my account. So here you can upload a picture here for your account, and here you can edit your password, change everything. Also you can change your email address. The last thing I want to show you here is the upgrade. Here you have the upgrade. Now you are on personal plan, so you have unlimited page and blog you can create. Remember, it's just you on the membership. You can get 5 guests, and you can upload your maximum file upload is 5 mega, so not more than. And the other plan you have unlimited, and it's good for a start. You don't need all the other one because you are the only one managing your account. So let's go and create our content calendar that will help you increase in productivity. So to do that, we will go to add a page and we start with template. Notion always came with some template that you're ready to use. Navigate to the marketing tab and you take a content calendar. So this is your content calendar here. You just use this template and your template is ready to use. So you see here you have idea in progress, like here we will edit, we will put it script in review. Here is let's put recording. So here we have a script, recording, publish. Let's add another one, edit and review. So we'll move it here. So this idea, script, recording, edit and review, and we have publish here. So this your content planner. Yes, the content calendar. You can rename it here and just put, I don't know, YouTube content calendar, like this, the YouTube content calendar. And here you place your idea, like how to make money online. You have another one like a Facebook ad. affiliate marketing. Here, let's remove this one. So now you have your content planner. So you can take this one and move it to the script, and you just start the scripting. So to start your script, you can choose between a video template or blog post. So I will give you a video template I'm using. What we will do, we'll create our own template. You just go to new template. You can name it YouTube theme. I'll just copy and paste the script there. Okay, this is the script I use for my video. I just make a copy and paste because I don't want to waste enough time for this video writing all this. So this template, you will have it. I will leave the link in the description below. So don't bother, you will have all the templates. Everything will be there waiting for you. So make sure to watch the next video that will pop up here to see how you can import the template. Because if you use this option to import the template, it will not work well. So watch the next video, you will see an easy way to import the template. Okay, so I just want to add some properties. So like a stick note, like if you go there, like checkbox like this, and I rename it like a script done, and I add another one, ready to publish. So you come back here, you just activate those properties. Here of this one, the assign. So I will on this one and this one. These are the only two scripts. So when I finish scripting this video, how to make money online, I will just check box here. So each time I'm working and I see this box checked, I know this is ready to publish. So here, like script done, because we are on the script tab, when I finish with the script, I tick script done. When the recording is done here, until it goes on this tab, when I see ready to publish, then I know this will be helpful for you if you are working with a team, so you will not mix things up. The guy writing the script, when he finishes, we just tick, and the guy that edit the video, when you have the final video, you just tick ready to publish. I will leave your gift, which is the content calendar, my personal own. It will be more developed than this. This is just to show you how to work with the calendar. So I will give you my personal own with the one I'm using, plus some free content added there. So if you have any other app that you use to plan your content, just type the name in the comment section. Let me give you one last tip to create your content more faster than this. So to do that, let me open my own personal Notion app. So this is how it works. You will download the Notion app in your phone, and you will use the same email address you connect with the one in your desktop. From there, it's very easy to use. What you have to do is just use the Google Voice and you will type more faster. Like for instance, let me open it on my phone. So here you go to the phone, you open the apps, and let go. Let me start record. Hello, welcome to Digital Opening. Today we are going to share a tips and trick on how you can make an income online. So you have to be careful when you are working with the Google Voice. Just speak slowly and it will catch everything. So after you are done with your editing, with your writing, then you will go and edit all the words. The best thing about this is when I want to add emoji on my text, it's very easy. Like if I want to add this, I will just put it there and you see it's there on the screen. If I need to add anything, Everything here you can just add and it will be there. So you don't need to go online and be looking for emoji website. And by the way, if you need some emoji that you want to use, you can just load all your emoji here in the blank page, and next time you just come and copy them and paste everywhere you want to. So this is one of the best thing I like about connecting the app with the phone like this. So very important, very important, very important. Watch the next video. Watch this next video to see how to import the template to your Notion dashboard, because using this import option here, might not work well for the document you want to import. So I will make a short video to show you how to import this content I'm going to give you to your own Notion dashboard. I hope this tutorial will help you increase your productivity and create more content, connect with your people. So if you have any question about anything I mentioned in this video, feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to like the video, give it a thumbs up, and turn on the notification bell to not miss a thing. So see you on the next video.